guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video reaction, guys. So guys, today we are gonna be reacting to a new artist, guys, and it's no other than Simon and Garfunkel, right? I think I'm correct in the pronunciation of his name, and the title is The Sound of Silence, guys. Yeah, The Sound of Silence. So guys, this is also based on the recommendation I got from my YT family to react to this one of his song, and guys, we're gonna be doing that today. So guys, if you're new to my channel, this is your favorite girl Nyamaka, guys. Please, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, guys. I welcome you all to my humble, wonderful and amazing family, guys. It's fun lot of reaction here, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, guys. I also did a couple of reactions I'm gonna be leaving up. It's gonna pop up right now on my screen and also in my description box, and at the end of this video, please do me a favor and check those other reactions out after you watch this one, guys. Without further ado, let's dive right straight into the video, guys.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Wow, guys, this song actually hits me differently, and I appreciate the song. Like, I appreciate whoever sang, like the artist that sang the song. I really appreciate them. It really allowed me like meditate on myself, think about life, you know. Wow, the song is so calm, like spirit calming. That's the word, spirit calming. So amazing. And this song was sung like 1964, and I also saw a couple of the songs on YouTube, but I found out this was the original version of it, so I decided to listen to it first before I listen to other versions of this song. Wow, please guys, this song is so amazing. Please, if you have any recommendation on their songs, please do me a favor and leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be so glad to react to anyone. I would love to react to one of their songs again, guys. So guys, please don't forget, if you've not thumbs up this video, what are you waiting for? Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and also that little bell beside it, click on it. That notifies you whenever I upload any new video to my channel, guys. And also don't forget to share to your family and friends, guys. Till I see you again in my next one, guys. Bye.